Hey guys, so I just got back home from the interview. It's about 7 o'clock at night now. My interview was at 3:30. The actual interview part took about an hour, and then I did a questionnaire, and then I put some outfits together and did another, walked around with the current manager. So this is the makeup after 5 hours. The only thing that's looking a little iffy besides my lipstick is this little spot here, but I mean, it's a zit. What can you say? But I'm recording this on my phone, so I don't know how the audio is. And so you can see it in direct sunlight. So this was the look today. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Alright, here is my makeup in direct sunlight. I am certainly not happy with how it darkened my under eyes quite a bit. Okay, since I know my cell phone can pick up detail a little bit closer, I figured I would show an up close look of the Tetris thing that I did. I don't think I've touched my eyes since I finished this about an hour and a half ago. I still need to go get a shower and wash everything off. But I tried to use the Tetris eyeshadow palette only to recreate kind of a Tetris gameplay on one eye and did the scoring on the other. I didn't put any other makeup on, I just did this. I think if I did this again, I would make this side a little bit bigger on my eye, just so that I knew that you could see the shapes a little bit better. And I didn't outline any of them. I was thinking about it, but I had some issues with colors trying to blend next to each other, even using an itty bitty tiny brush to do this. Just a close-up look of my Tetris eyeshadow look using the Tetris eyeshadow palette from my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. There's only the two main shades, the navy blue and the orangey yellow that I used on this look are the really only two like really good shades out of this palette. The other matte shade doesn't really show up on me. And then the gold shade that I did the L with this works really well. The others are kind of one of those, you have to really get them wet, you have to really get them packed on to get them to show up. If not, they're more like topper shades. I'm not even sure how well this is going to show up. And the score is 874. My dad was like, you can't really read that, it's backwards. I'm like, oh, whatever. Ooh, that's bright.
There is a large dictionary of
Hang on, let me...
here. Leave no one standing.
And of course, because I have hooded eyes, the color transferred up onto my lid. Alright, I wanted to film this a little bit outside so you guys could see the makeup in natural lighting. It's about 10:30 now. I'm walking over where there's direct sunlight so you guys can get a better look. Alright, so there is the flag on my chest. I'm too tall for the camera. So there is my makeup out here in direct sunlight. See? Sun. Anyways, I'm gonna take some pictures and then start editing parts 1. It's pretty bad. I gotta bend over this. The tripod only goes to like 3 feet tall, and I'm tall. Let me do this. Change that on my flip. Anyways, hopefully you guys like the look. Oh, Jeezy Pete, that's bright. Okay, the sun just came out to say hello. Woo, gosh, that's bright. Okay, I'm gonna end the video here. Bye.